Hey everybody, it's Meso. Welcome to my kitchen today, where I'm going to be making for you a delicious Oooey Gooey butter pumpkin cake. Let's take a look at the ingredients that we are going to be using. Let's get started making this thing. So we're going to use 3 eggs, and we're going to go and get them in. I'm going to get my beaters starting to beat while I get these 3 eggs in. These eggs are room temperature. And again, this is another very simple cake. You might want to get your kids to help you. They'll enjoy it. So now I'm just beating my eggs, and I'm going to take this 1 can of evaporated milk, and I'm going to use the whole can. I believe this is 14 ounces. I'm going to put it all in. I have 1 cup of sugar that I'm going to put in, and this is about 2 cups of fresh pumpkin. Now you can use fresh pumpkin or you can use canned pumpkin. This is between 16 and 18 ounces of pumpkin. Oh, that's so beautiful, and it smells good already. Now here I'm going to be putting in 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm going to stop right here and just sort of scrape my sides down and start back beating. So I have some vanilla flavoring here, and I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 teaspoon and speed it up so it probably looked like less, but trust me, it was 1 teaspoon. I'm putting a saucer under here so that all this stuff doesn't drip down and make my mixer stand real dirty, so I'm saving some cleanup time. I poured this mixture into a 9 by 13 oblong baking dish, and now I have just some cake mix. This is white Duncan Hines cake mix, and I'm just sprinkling this over the mixture. You use yellow cake mix, white cake mix, whatever kind you want, whatever brand you want, it's going to all be good. Now you don't want to wet this cake mix, you don't want to push it down under, but I'm using my spatula just to smooth it out to make sure I don't have any peels, humps, lumps, or big places. I want it all pretty even, pretty smooth. So I got this stick of butter that I've melted, and I'm going to drizzle this butter down all over it all. So I'm going to come back with the pecans, and that's going to make it real good and crunchy. Now put it in the oven at a preheated 350-degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes until my toothpick came back out clean. Now it's out of the oven to cool on the back. And now look what we got. It looks so good. Ah man, we gotta see how it tastes. So here I've just cut a piece out. See how clean the dish is left? It comes out really good. It's really nice. Oh, look at this, how it cuts. Oh man. Crunchy, sweet. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Love it, guys. You gotta try this at home. You're gonna be glad you did. One last look. Guys, I want to thank you for coming by my channel to see what I was doing today. You knew I would be throwing down. If you like what you saw, share, subscribe, give me a comment. I love interacting with you. Give me a big old thumbs up. Hey guys, go out and show somebody some kindness. Show somebody some love today. Bye-bye.